9 बच्चे मरे। इसमें से आपने कितनों का इलाज किया था?
मेरे पास 6 पेशेंट रहे होंगे।
That's Dr. Praveen Soni, now at the center of the cough syrup tragedy in Madhya Pradesh. But is it right to blame him? The Chhindwara unit president of the Indian Medical Association, Kalpana Shukla, warned that if Dr. Soni is not released, doctors will launch an indefinite strike starting today. Hours before his arrest, the senior pediatrician defended his treatment of children. Dr. Soni, posted at Civil Hospital Parasia, was reportedly also engaged in private practice. According to lab tests, the Coldriff syrup he prescribed contained diethylene glycol, a poisonous industrial chemical. Most of the affected children, many under 5, developed high fever and difficulty in urination after consuming the syrup.
क्योंकि फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी, फार्मेसी का फार्मूलेशन, ये सारा विज्ञान फार्मेसी डिपार्टमेंट देखता है। डॉक्टर्स को तो ऐसा रेडीमेड आता है, सीलबंद आता है, लिख दिया।
Madhya Pradesh police arrested Dr. Soni on 4th October after 16 children in Chhindwara and Betul districts died following Coldriff consumption. An FIR has been filed against him and Srishan Pharmaceuticals under multiple sections of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Lab reports confirmed the syrup contained 48.6% diethylene glycol, a chemical that can cause kidney failure and death.
ये दवाई पिछले 10 सालों से लिख रहा हूँ, एक दिन का मामला नहीं है ये।
Following the findings, Chief Minister Mohan Yadav ordered Dr. Soni's immediate suspension for negligence and imposed a statewide ban on the sale and distribution of Coldriff syrup. Commissioner of Public Health and Medical Education Tarun Rathi issued his suspension orders citing serious negligence in treating infants during private practice and failure to discharge official duties with full integrity. But many are now asking if the system is targeting the smallest and most visible link instead of examining institutional failure. And can a doctor be held responsible for a drug approved by the authorities, manufactured legally, supplied through government channels, and stocked in licensed pharmacies? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.
Mo.